Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Freeport, local, and long-distance movers near me. With our long-distance movers, you get the services you require for a much easier move. Regardless of how far you need to relocate, our expert crew of movers can make it so much easier. Moving isn't easy, but using the right moving services can certainly make it a lot easier. Selecting us means you get access to all the standard long-distance moving services and all the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. When you need to hire a local Illinois moving company, justifying the expense may seem hard. When you evaluate the main advantages you get, the expense may be much easier to manage. Any decent moving company is going to help you save time on your local move. Movers can also assure you don't have to manage any of the heavy lifting. Our skilled movers provide efficiency with every move. 3 movers understands how to improve your move. Moving locally can be very quick, and our crew can deal with even a large move in just a single morning. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Freeport moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.